Black Sabbath rock and roll doctor. I am the rock and roll doctor. I mean, I'm getting y'all the rock and roll you need, right? Hot and heavy classic rock, actually. So it's all approved by Ozzy, by the way. Every little bit of the things that we play here.